Ever wanted to dip your toes into the world of DeFi but thought it required a king's ransom? Think again. Today, we're showing you exactly how to deposit just $1 into your Phantom wallet, unlocking a gateway to decentralized finance. So first things first, open up your Phantom wallet on your phone or browser extension. Tap that big, friendly deposit button. This is where the magic begins. Phantom Wallet opens up and lists all the ways you can deposit, from credit card to other wallets. Now, let's say you want to use a different crypto to get your dollar in. Phantom lets you convert other currencies. Simply choose the crypto you want to convert from. Paying close attention to the displayed conversion rates, Phantom values you trusting their conversion rates, so you know the conversion is what they display. Enter the dollar amount you want to convert and boom, swap. Remember, even with a small amount, you can add liquidity to pools and start exploring the world of decentralized finance. And voila! You've officially added funds and taken your first step into DeFi with just $1. Now go explore and let the gains commence.